gonna start off with the data for the week. Tomorrow we don't really have any data. Tuesday we have a speaker with no real data up until 10 a.m. consumer confidence, and we have Richmond Manufacturing Index. 9 p.m. on Tuesday, Trump speaks. Wednesday we don't really have nothing pre-market. Thursday 8:30 a.m. unemployment claims. Friday 8:30 a.m. core PPI, and at 9:45 we have Chicago PMI. As far as earnings for the week, nothing Monday that I trade. Tuesday at close we have AMC. I'll be watching Zeta. I have Zeta shares. Hut's interesting Wednesday morning because Hut 8 is also a crypto stock. I don't really hear people talk about it much like how they used to, but Wednesday close we have Nvidia. Everybody will be watching that, and we have Salesforce at close, and some people watch the trade desk also. Thursday I don't trade Dell, but I'm sure people will be watching Dell. And Friday I don't see anything. Let me see if I missed any earnings. No. HP, no. Home Depot, new. Zoom, ZM, maybe people watch that. All right. So I'm gonna start my watch list with a few stocks that closed strong. On Friday. So we got 30 seconds left. Let's see what happens. I'll be watching Amazon also. Amazon has a daily gap to fill. Let's wait and see what happens with Apple. See what happens with Apple. Then we'll move on to Amazon. Bam. Let's see. Okay. So watch this high. We didn't break the high yet. Probably will or come down, but I'll be watching that high. I will be watching that high for entry. And let me come back a little bit to see. Put a level there, and that's it. I'll move on to Amazon now. Amazon also pulled back, had the same pullback as Apple. I will be watching Friday's high for an entry before the daily gap fill. As you can see, there's a daily gap fill. I'll go to the daily, as you can see. Next, I was watching Coin. See what Coin did. Coin didn't really do much from Friday. Possible this high right here. Okay. And I'll take a look at Google. Friday's high still didn't break. Meta, same thing. Meta has a daily gap to the downside. Was strong on Friday. A lot of these setups look the same, so the same pullback. We'll just have to see what holds up with strength compared to what's holding down against the market. MU also, the same pullback, all-time highs in this area. These are the next levels I'm watching as targets. And last but not least, obviously Tesla. Tesla's still stuck in this range. We're in a wedge. Interesting to see if we can hold and close below the wedge to see what the next possible move can be. As you can see, we bounced at Friday's low, which is interesting. So that's the low I'll be watching for entry. And yeah, that's it. So we have Apple, Amazon, Coin, Google, Meta, MU, and Tesla. I'll just have to watch what's holding up against the market and what's holding down against the market to see. As far as Tesla's the only downside play that I like, only downside play that I'm comfortable with compared to a lot of other stuff. So everything else for me is upside as of tomorrow, and Tesla downside. So that's it.